Hi, how's it going? I've been pretty busy at the moment, and this is one of the things I've been working on. It's a little project in Embedded C. It's running on a AVR microcontroller. It's an Atmel AVR Atmega 324A with 2 kilobytes RAM and 32 kilobytes static memory. Connects to the computer via a USB, so we have a serial connection here, and we can control the pieces with WASD and play a little game. It's a little hard to see, but we have green and red markers. We can drop them down wherever we want. The objective is to get 4 in a row. After we drop the first 4, both players, then we can pick up our markers and move them. So at the moment we just drop down 4 markers, then we hover over our piece, hit space, pick it up, and then it shows us where we can put it, and yeah, there it is. Simple game, but a lot of fun. We've dropped it here and player 2 has won. So then we just reset. Also down the bottom, we have a little marker. Those numbers are keeping track of the longest line that each player has. Oh, but now I put it in time mode. So here we have 20 seconds to complete a move. And if we don't do it in 20 seconds, then the other player wins. This can be changed on the fly. But I don't think I'm going to change it just yet. So it's actually a lot of fun. The other day, oh, there we are. Yeah, now when we get less than 10 seconds, we're also counting down the tenths of a second. Anyway, so the other day I had friends and family around, and we just hung out and played this, and it was a lot of fun. I mean, simple games are good. Having fun with your friends and family is good. So yeah, like I was saying, player 2 currently has 2 in a row. That's the diagonal there. They're the red ones. And now player 1 has 2 in a row. And this has been a little quick playthrough. Okay, we're going to see if we can block green. Can we? Nah, we can't. They win. There we are. That's an abrupt end. Well, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. And more stuff coming soon. All right. See you soon. Bye.